nating tutorial series which is a seminary religion. Specifically, ang topic po natin for this day is about prophecy of Jesus. Nagkamali ba si Jesus sa kanyang prophecy? Now, ang ating talata po ay nagagamit sa Matthew chapter 24 verse 34. Sabi po dito, basahin ko po. Truly tell you, this generation will certainly not pass away until all these things have happened. Now, pang ating mas malawaan kung ano ibig sabihin ng talata ito. At upang sa natingan natin ating devotion, ngayon po tayo pwede na ako sa ating teaching para sa ating ito. So, nung gumawa po ng prophecy si Jesus Christ, it isn't just random guess about the future. Binigay po ito ni Jesus Christ for a reason, to bring judgment on his enemies. Alam niyo po kung ano talagang nakaka-amaze kasi it actually happened in the first century. Gaya ng sinabi niya, and pinapakita naman dito that he wasn't exaggerating, hindi siya nagsisinungaling. So, lahat na sinabi niya, he kept his word. So, the people sa early church po, yung mga close po sa mga nangyari noon, they understood exactly kung ano yung mga sinasabi ng ating Panginoon. So, they didn't twist his words or try to make them mean something na hindi naman naayon sa sinabi ng Diyos. So, they simply took him at his word and said, tama sila. And that is a good reminder that Jesus Christ, yung salita niya is trustworthy, and that the Bible's prophecies are not just stories. Ito po ay totoo, accurate, makatotohanan. Ngayon po tayo pwede na ako sa ating application. So ito po yung dapat natin gawin or i-apply sa ating mga buhay. So pag nagbabasa po tayo ng Bible, we need to come clean. Dapat meron tayong open mind. Buksan natin yung puso natin na makinig o intindihin kung ano ba talaga ang nakasulat dito sa Bible. So sometimes people try to read their own opinions into scripture, but dapat we should let the Bible speak for itself, kasi it doesn't teach us to be hopeless or to expect that everything to get worse, kasi the Bible gives us hope dahil yun nga, nanalo na Jesus Christ. And if nang sinabi si Jesus Christ na nangyayari, we can 100% trust that it will happen. We can rest assured na ito ang exactly as He promised. That's why